Welcome to the Great Indian Love Challenge with me, Yudhishthir Ern, and I must tell you, this is the busiest park I've been to in a long time. The Sanjay Gandhi National Park. But today, it's a very special day because on the Great Indian Love Challenge, we have, for the first time, a married couple. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's meet the man who's ready to take on the 3 challenges of the Great Indian Love Challenge and give his lady, well, his wife, what she really desires. Well, what I know is that she wants this really exclusive watch from Longines. There's a couple with loads of attitude that's going to be on the show, but let's meet the man, Zubair.
Hi, I'm Zubair. My profession is celebrity personal trainer. My hobbies are partying, music, traveling, and of course working out. Love for me is an axis of my being. Hi, Yudi.
Zubair, I was just telling everybody here, all the viewers of the Great Indian Love Challenge, you're the first married man on the show.
Yes.
You know, usually it's single people trying to impress their girlfriends or, you know, trying to like say something nice to their girlfriend.
Yeah, because I look up to my wife, not as my wife, but I look up to her as my girlfriend. So I thought this is a very special occasion and this is a good chance to show that how much she is important for me and how much I love her.
Tell us, what's your wife's name?
My wife's name is Nazia.
You know, the Great Indian Love Challenge is all about taking on 3 challenges, 3 tasks that will give you an opportunity to get a special memento or gift for your loved one. All right, the thing is that if you don't complete all 3 tasks, then you don't get the watch. All right, you know Tarzan the Ape Man?
Yeah.
The guy who lives in the jungle, he has a wife called Jane, he has a couple of apes for friends.
Yeah.
Well, Zubair, the task is really simple. You dress up like Tarzan, you get out there, and you're looking for Jane, you're looking for your wife, who's Jane as a character in this thing.
Okay.
And you have to get 5 people to make animal sounds because she only responds to animal sounds.
You're joking.
I'm not, it's serious. That's the Great Indian Love Challenge.
I really can't do this. Yeah. This is really embarrassing.
It is. That's why it's called the embarrassing task of the Great Indian Love Challenge. Are you up for the task?
Yeah, I'm up for the task. I'll do it.
All right, so Zubair, you agree to do the task?
Yeah.
Excellent. Let me show you what you're winning. This is a Longines watch. Elegance is an attitude, but I'm not going to show it to you right now. Once you finish the 3rd task, actually once you finish the 2nd task, I'll show you.
Show me right now, yeah.
No, I can't show you, sorry.
It'll give me a boost for my embarrassment.
Because then you probably take it from me. So you guys have to work hard. Off you go.
Thank you so much.
Best of luck. I'm going to wait for you, change and come back.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Thanks, bye.
All right, Zubair's going to get ready, and once he gets ready and comes back, we will see what he looks like as Tarzan.
When I saw my costume, I had to dress like a Tarzan, where I was half nude. I've not even been like this even in my real life. I don't even get so much nude in my house also. Ready?
Oh, there he is.
Hi.
You know, Zubair, I really thought you'd swing in to the...
I wanted to, but there's no banyan trees around here.
Oh, yaar, pe pedi nahi hai.
Pedi nahi hai.
This is the national park. Okay,
all right.
So best of luck.
Thank you.
And we really want you to get through this first phase. So off you go.
Thank you.
I'll be waiting here for you till you finish your task and come back.
I'll be back.
All right,
I'll
God
be back.
bless.
Thanks.
Take care.
आपको किसी जानवर की आवाज निकालनी पड़ेगी।
निकालो भाई।
आप निकालो ना सर, क्यों आवाज नहीं निकालेंगे? अरे निकाल नहीं देता, मत कीजिए।
आप निकाल दो, मतलब शेर की आवाज निकाल।
शेर की आवाज निकाल बताओ। आपको किसी जानवर की आवाज निकाल के मुझे आपको मेरी हेल्प करनी पड़ेगी।
प्लीज निकालेगा आवाज।
अरे निकाल।
जेन को ढूंढने बोले, मैं अपनी ढूंढ के लेके आता हूँ।
अरे जेन को तो भाई ढूंढ रहा वक्त है।